Okay, here we go. First installment of Adventures of a Middle-Aged Man with the Birds and the Bees. Robin and I have just picked up a couple of beehives and we're getting ready to release them. So I think I will put my handy little suit on here. First time to wear this. We hope it works. So we'll see what happens. Got to figure out how all the zippers and everything go. I'm sure this little hood means that it needs to go. My head needs to go in it. Extra eye protection. I may need some assistance here. Making sure all the little zippers are in the right place and everything. Get my hood, please. I'm sure we'll get this figured out in time, and you'll notice that we're not using the smoker today. Our bee mentors told us that it was not necessary, so just upon a release, but thought the first time we get them out, especially since Robin drove home and hit every lump around, they might be a little agitated, so we're going to put the jacket on just to make sure. So we're going to see what happens, so stay tuned. See here, we have some nice new hives we just built and thing. We've got everything tied up, so I'm going to untie everything. Release this.
Doing okay. We're releasing the bees.
I saw that.
Yeah.
Probably need to slide to the front, so I'm guessing. Hasn't made anybody too mad yet. Hey, how about that? Whoop, whoop, whoop. Have to knock it off the stand, start there. Just the stand back. It's good and steady. Okay, what I'm going to do is go ahead and release this one hive and we'll see what happens. And then we're going to try to give you a real close zoom in on the front porch when the rest of them come out of this second hive. So hopefully it'll work out and we can see everything and I don't get beat up too bad here. Okay, everything looks pretty straight on there. We'll see how this is going to go. Where'd my friend Clint go? Oh, I see him back there. He's staying way back there. Okay, moment of truth. What I'm supposed to do here is just simply pull the tape. The bees should come out and I'll be going that way. So
Slowly.
hope everything's not in the road.
Oh, they're coming.
Yeah, they are. Woohoo! Yeah, that wasn't too bad.
Can you zoom in on them?
Huh? We can zoom in a little bit, but you better get back. Let's see how. They're coming way out here. They are upset. I'll try to zoom in just a little bit here. I don't want to try to change lenses in the middle of this, but that's just pretty cool. What we'll do is let them get settled down real well here, And this evening we'll come back out and put a feeder on there. It'll be full of sugar water that gives them nourishment for the next few days while they get settled in and find nectar sources and everything. So it's going to be pretty interesting. We'll give these guys just a second or two, and I'll go pull the tape on the other one. When they came out, they did come out. I hope you can see it on the video. I am glad I did have this hood on. They were definitely in my face. But so far, no stings. Pretty cool. I'm going to kind of ease my way up here. Just kind of be casual about it. See how defensive they are right now. I'd like to get the rest of that tape off there, but we may just have to let that go for a little bit. Man, it is hot inside this suit. Some folks wear a full bee suit. I thought probably just a jacket and the hood would be sufficient, and so far that's proven to be true. Okay, Robin, if you want to try to zoom in, I think I can just kind of ease my way over there. And don't do anything other than just here. I'll do it. We'll see if we can't zoom in a little bit over here on really give you a closer shot of what's getting ready to happen here. I'm sorry for all the jerking around, but you can see back there they've got a fountain for a water source, so hopefully they won't be going over and raiding Clint's dog dishes and things like that. And I can see Clint's moved a step closer, but he's still hanging back.
Oh, they're on the honeysuckle?
Are they on there? Yeah, okay. Well, working as planned. Get in here and pollinate everything. Okay, get ready for round 2. Here we go. See if you guys are going to let me up here. I may want to put my gloves on. No, I'll chance it. Try to be slow and methodical is all we're trying to do. Okay, here we go. Whoop.
Uh-oh, you're going to have to go back in there.
Yep, didn't quite get it.
That one has an entrance reducer. That one has an entrance reducer.
Yeah, that's what it is. He's got one. Here they come. They're going to be coming out slowly. So they have an entrance reducer on there, like Robin said. That reduces the amount of space they can come out, so they're not just going to boil out like they did over here. And you do that for a reason. When you set up new beehives, sometimes they're kind of prone to other bees will get in and try to rob the hive, so that just gives them a little smaller area they have to defend. So other bees will try to come into their hive and take their honey, and not a good thing. You know, it happens, but this is just one of the methods we use to combat that. And that's what happened, yeah. I got most of the tape off, but they're coming out that one small hole. So.
They're carrying stuff out of the hive.
Yeah, they're probably carrying all kinds of, maybe a few bees have died the last few days. They're very fastidious housekeepers. They keep the place just immaculate inside. And you won't find any dead bees or, you know, they'll attack about anything that comes in that hive. They're defensive. As you can see how close we're standing here, they're not acting really aggressive towards me at all. They're just interested in kind of coming out and seeing what's going on with the new world. And, over the next couple of hours, you'll see them starting to fly out and about, and they'll come back and do little dances. And what they're doing is communicating with other bees on where their new home is, and looking for nectar sources, pollen sources, and that sort of thing. So, anyway.